transgressions, speaks to the wicked within his heart. Reverence of Elohim is not before his eyes, for he flatters himself in his own eyes to find his wickedness to be hated. The words of his mouth are wickedness and deceit. He has ceased to be wise, to do good. He plots wickedness on his bed. He places himself in a way that is not good. He does not despise evil. Oh, Yahuah, your kindness is in the Shamayim, and your trustworthiness reaches to the clouds. Your righteousness is like the mighty mountains. Your right rulings are a great deep. O Yahuah, you save man and beast. How precious is your kindness, O Elohim! And the sons of men take refuge in the shadow of your wings. They are filled from the fatness of your house, and you give them drink from the river of your pleasures, for with you is the fountain of high. In your light we see light. Draw your kindness to those who know you, and your righteousness to the upright in heart. Let not the foot of pride come against me, and the hand of the wicked drive me away. There the workers of wickedness have fallen. They have been overthrown and have been unable to rise.